What's up everybody, River Caraba here, the analytics guy, helping you better understand and use data to achieve your goals. Today I have a very short video for you. As you can see, kind of still experimenting with the set design here. Want to give you a little bit of information that is brand new. So the other day I was perusing YouTube as I normally do, just watching some of my friends' videos, looking for interesting content, and I noticed something. If you look right here in the lower left-hand corner of that video, you will notice that it says ads 2 of 2. This got me thinking. I reached out to YouTube and I asked them, said, hey, are you experimenting with this? What's up with this? And I heard back and they did say that they're actually experimenting putting ad pods together. Ad pods is a traditional kind of marketing methodology. Think about it like TV, where you have a commercial break, a pod, and you have multiple pieces of like creative of commercials in front of you. That is what's happening on YouTube. Right now they're testing TrueView, which is their skippable videos that you see on most videos, I feel. They're putting at least 2 of those together. That's really interesting, right? Because what that means right now is that for those creators that get multiple ads, this is a way that they can drive more revenue for those completed views, right? So that being said, it is kind of interesting how YouTube is testing out some of those things through some of the changes to the YouTube Partner Program. Obviously, that has a lot of us concerned, and especially some of the smaller creators. YouTube coming in right here, maybe not with a lot of communication around it, but testing something to make creators more money, which is good news. Thank you, YouTube. The big thing here, guys, is that they're testing it. It's kind of interesting. If you're a small business, this is interesting because if it does succeed with this test and they learn whatever it is they want to learn, then that means that you can get smart with how maybe you buy 2 pieces of creative, 2 TrueView ads in succession, and how they play off of each other because that 4-second skippable mark. Like, someone skips the first one after 4 seconds, but then now the creative for the second bit is like, wait, don't skip this, right? You can see how that might be kind of fun. And like I said, more money for creators. So that's all we're gonna do for today, guys. Just wanted to let you know that that is coming and that little bit of information. But if you have questions, leave them down in the comment section below. You can also tweet me at YoAnalyticsGuy on Twitter, and we will see you in the next video.